person suffering from an anxiety disorder experiences neurologically based changes in mood and bodily functions that can range from mild to severe. As with anxiety, various personality traits and emotional responses are simply the byproducts of the interaction between our genetic coding and environmental influences. Fear and stress are normal defensive reactions to threats that help our body with challenges more efficiently and effectively. However, anxiety is different from fear in that anxiety is a set of emotional and somatic reactions to a future threat that may or may not happen. Having anxiety is a normal human reaction. However, if it continues for a prolonged period, it will absolutely have an adverse effect on your life and mental health. The good news is that our brain is plastic. Thus, changing the neural pathways that ignite anxiety can absolutely be altered to no longer trigger that dreaded fight, flight, or freeze response. Perhaps the most crucial part is understanding that the amygdala is central to the formation of fear and all anxiety-related memories. And people who have anxiety disorders have been shown to have a hyperactive amygdala. By utilizing neuroplasticity, the brain's natural ability to change, and neurogenesis, which is the generation of new neurons, I am able to rewire your neural connectivity to stop anxiety before it hijacks your brain. Anxiety is not like a cut on your arm or a broken bone. It's something that cannot be clearly seen, easily diagnosed, or quickly fixed, which is why the traditional therapy or coaching that has been available has been truly and utterly ineffective in treating anxiety and phobias. A doctor must possess a deep understanding of cognitive neuroscience to be at all capable in helping you abolish anxiety. In my practice, I treat social anxiety, generalized anxiety, OCD-associated anxiety, PTSD, phobias, and panic attacks. My own personal knowledge runs deep, as I myself experienced debilitating anxiety after I lost both my parents as a teenager. My program is the true differentiator in the treatment of all anxiety disorders. The results of my program are stellar, and my reviews and referrals simply speak for themselves. I tailor each package and treatment plan to the very specific and individual needs of my patients, based on their unique fears and worries, the duration of their anxiety, the severity of both their physiological and psychological symptoms. This makes my program utterly comprehensive. I hope that you found this explanation of how I treat anxiety helpful. But more importantly, I sincerely hope it has given you a reason not to accept your anxiety as something that is incurable or as some disorder you will have to succumb to for the rest of your life. Thank you for taking the time to listen.